Unlock safe power chaos. Why Champion Pro Grade silences RV gripes.
You know that sinking gut twist when your power rig turns into a snarling beast of sparks and stalls, mocking your every move on a rain-slicked site? Frustration boils as tools gasp for juice, leaving you chained to chaos. Sound too real? Spill your juiciest outage tale in the comments. We'll chuckle through the sparks together. Time to unplug the nonsense and spark some real talk.
Deadlines claw at your back like feral cats. Stress etching lines from endless breaker resets. Burnout hitting harder than a rogue extension cord whip. It's the gritty underbelly of gigs that should thrill, not throttle. Yet what if a clever contraption slipped in, hijacking the havoc for smooth, sly command? No extra frenzy required. Hang tight, your power saga's twisting toward triumph, with a wink and a surge.
Discover the Champion Power Equipment Pro-Grade OSHA-compliant power distribution box, a defiant dynamo flipping the script on electrical anarchy with unyielding poise. This beast boasts a NEMA SS250P 50-amp 125 or 250-volt twist-lock inlet for ironclad generator grips. 6 120-volt 20-amp GFCI duplex outlets, 520R, armed with ground fault shields to zap shocks before they sting. 1 120 or 240-volt 30 amps locking outlet, L1430R, for devouring high wattage demands up to 12,500 watts at 60 Hz. Versatility reigns with included 30-amp RV adapter, TT30R to 520R, and 50-amp RV adapter, 1450R to 520R, plus a main 50-amp breaker and branch safeguards for overload ousting. Its heavy-duty steel frame, powder-coated for corrosion defiance, pairs with a NEMA 3R weather-resistant enclosure and spring-loaded covers to mock mud, monsoons, and mayhem. Outdoor-rated for unrelenting realms. LED power indicators flicker like victory signals, while the grounding terminal and lockable lid lock in security. US-Canada listed and OSHA tuned, it's the Safety Sentinel pros crave. Recall Tom, the site foreman, whose dawn raid nearly derailed from a flooded fuse fiasco. Champion's GFCI trio tripped threats, salvaging shifts with a heroic hum. Or Lena, the festival fixer, whose gear teetered on blackout brink. Adapters bridged her RV realm, igniting lights and laughs amid the drizzle. Feel the tactile triumph, that robust heft in your palm, the crisp snap of resets, the steady thrum vibrating victory through your veins. Quick win? Anchor it to a stable Jenny for breaker-proof bliss. Linger for the insider ploy that turns novices into power poets. Your secret weapon awaits. Savor the alchemy. Champion's Pro-Grade OSHA Power Distribution Box transmutes raw voltage into velvet efficiency, honing your edge so setups blur into seamless symphonies and performance peaks like a plot twist you saw coming. Focus sharpens as you sidestep chord jungles, channeling 12,500 watts through intuitive outlets that cradle plugs like old allies. 6 GFCI duplexes feeding finesse to finesse tools, the 30-amp locker fueling feats without a flinch. Benefits bloom, slashed downtime whispers more billable bliss, amplified output crafts confidence from clutter, and that portable punch via heavy-duty handle hauls heroism to any horizon. Evoke the essence, the metallic tang of empowered air, the reassuring glow of LEDs piercing dusk, the hypnotic rhythm of uninterrupted roar that drowns doubt in delight. Why the frenzy? A tidal wave of thousands can't hush their hype. Contractor Queen Mia marveled, this OSHA oracle outfoxed our site's soggy sabotage, workflow warped into wizardry overnight. RV renegade Kyle crowed, grilled glory under stars, adapters alchemizing Jenny Gold. It's the cheeky champ that cheats the dark. Analyst Aria affirmed, splits shoddy from stellar, a value vortex for venue vampires, user vibes surge, outage oasis for my homestead, beams Becca, essentials dance through the deluge unscathed, lightly scandalous truth, why tolerate timid strips when this titan tempts rebellion? Which perk pulses your pulse, the weather warping covers or adapter arsenal? Jot it in comments, let's ignite idea infernos. Ponder this, doesn't your domain deserve a distribution that's dangerously dependable?
Hurry! Scarcity strikes as savvy crews, campers, and creators snap up Champion's pro-grade OSHA-powered distribution box, vaulting past vulnerabilities while others voltage vex. Influencer icon Zoe zinged, tailgate triumph in a box. GFCI Guardians gifted me glitch-free glory. If site surges or RV ripples rattle you, this could rewrite your rules. Snag it swift and snag a stealthy surge tip for seamless supremacy. Pause no longer. Dive in, deploy the dominance, and redefine your domain from disarray to dazzle today. Your electrifying era beckons. Claim the charge?